We have moved through letters, words, and wisdom. Now we enter the most soulful part of our journey, Bhava Gita.
भाव का अर्थ है भावनाएं, means emotions. Life is a roller coaster of emotions. It has ups and downs, joy and sadness. Every moment teaches us something valuable.
The Bhagavad Gita has a solution for every emotion. In this round, we will present a situation or a specific emotion as a question.
You must recite the relevant shloka and explain its meaning or message clearly. You have 30 seconds to start, as this requires a bit more thought. You need to provide the divine prescription from the Gita to heal that emotion. It's not just about reciting, it's about feeling the message.
Hope our teams are ready to connect with the Bhava of the Lord.
Team A, here is your first emotional scenario.
Who is called a person of steady wisdom? As दुःखेष्वनुद्विग्न मनः सुखेषु विगत स्पृहः वीतरागभय क्रोध स्थितधीर्मुनिरुच्यते. The one who is not disturbed by happiness or sorrow or any other emotions is a steady person who is stable in all situations.
Protection. Does a person who does good ever get destroyed?
Protection is an emotion.
Pass.
पार्थ नैवेह नामुत्रा विनास्तस्य विद्यते नैहि कल्याणकृत् कश्चित् केचित् आत्मानमात्मना. A person who does good never get destroyed. Good deeds always protect in life.
Good Vedanta. Now the question for Vedanta team.
Sadness. How can contentment remove sorrow?
Pass.
यदृच्छालभसन्तुष्टो द्वन्द्वातीतो विमत्सरः समः सिद्धौ च कृत्वापि न निबध्यते. In this shloka, Lord Shri Krishna says that contentment removes sorrow by controlling their actions and emotions and overcoming their desires without fear.
The emotion is happiness. What kind of happiness comes from a peaceful mind?
प्रशान्तमनसं हीनं योगिनं सुखमुत्तमम् उपैति शान्तरजसं ब्रह्मभूतामकल्मषम्. A yogi with a peaceful mind who is free from desires and negativity, he has the blessings of the divine, and being pure and connected to the divine attains the highest happiness.
Now the next question to Itihasa.
Emotion, peace. How does a person remain steady in success and failure?
जितात्मनः प्रशान्तस्य परमात्मा समाहितः शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु तथा मानापमानयोः.
Lord Krishna says, a person who is free from desires and who is peace will be connected to the God. They remain steady in their lives' ups and downs, like success or failure, praise or criticism, comfort or discomfort.
Next question for the Kavya team.
Emotion, loneliness. Who never feels separated from God?
यो मां पश्यति सर्वत्र सर्वं च मयि पश्यति तस्याहं निग्रहं मन्ये वायोरिव सुदुष्करम्.
A person who sees me everywhere and sees everything in me. I am never lost for him, nor is he ever lost to see me again.
Emotion, peace. What must a person give up to attain peace?
विहाय कामान्यः सर्वान् पुमाश्चित निस्पृहा निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः स शान्तिमधिगच्छति.
A person must give up all his desires and move without longings and without the sense of ownership, means without the sense of I-ness and my-ness.
Next to Vedanga team.
Emotion, loneliness. How does surrender remove fear of being alone?
सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वां सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि शुचा. Krishna promised that he'll uplift and protect the people who will surrender to him. So when we surrender to him, we feel protected and safe and will not feel loneliness.
Next to Vedanta.
Emotion is protection. What happens when we surrender with full trust?
तमेव सर्वं गच्छ सर्वभावेन भारत तत्प्रसादात् परं शान्तं स्थानं प्राप्यसि शाश्वतम्.
In this shloka, Lord Krishna said, surrender to me with full trust, I will bless you with peace and move you to liberation.
Now it's Purana team's turn.
What does Krishna promises to those who think of him constantly? Emotion, happiness.
Pass. Lord Krishna says, Ananyas chintayanto mam yojana pariupasate tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham. Those who think of Lord constantly, He promises them to protect them, take care of them and fulfill their wishes.
Now direct question to Itihasa.
Emotion, sadness. When does the mind become our enemy?
When does the mind become our enemy? Sadness.
बन्धुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य योनात्मैवात्मनाजितः अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तेतात्मैव शत्रुवत्. Lord Krishna says that the one who controls their mind, the mind becomes their best friend. But the one who cannot control their mind, the mind becomes their greatest enemy.
Kavya's team, they will answer now. Kavya team.
Loneliness. How does seeing God in everyone remove loneliness?
Pass to Veda team.
सर्वभूतस्थितं वापि भजत्येकत्वमास्थितं सर्वदा वर्तमानोऽपि स योगी मयि वर्तते. A true yogi sees God in everything and everything in God. He treats everybody equally with love and care. He attains the supreme peace.
With this, we come to the end of this round. Give a big round of applause, children.
सराहनीय. भावनाओं के बिना मनुष्य जीवन तो शून्य है. मित्रों, हमें भावना प्रधान होना है. इन्हीं भावनाओं की अनुभूति आपने दी है.
Hold your breath, everyone. We are entering the most intense phase of our competition. It's time for Prashnottara Gita, the question and answer round.
यह राउंड आपकी एकाग्रता और गति का असली इम्तिहान है.
We will ask direct questions about the Gita. The number of chapters, names of bows, specific characters or famous dialogues.
Team A, your first question is,
what is Krishna's famous teaching in chapter 2 about stability?
A wise person does not get disturbed by happiness or sadness.
Team Vedanga. Now it's turn of Team Vedanga.
Who was the charioteer of Arjuna?
Sri Krishna.
Who was the commander of the Kaurava army?
Bhishma, the first commander.
Purana team will answer now.
Which term does Krishna use to refer to Arjuna in a friendly way?
Partha.
Itihasa team will answer.
How many total verses are there in the Bhagavad Gita?
700.
Kavya team will answer now.
What was Arjuna's initial feeling before the war began?
Confusion and sorrow.